This video I will explain how to save your money on a low income. Why saving on low income is hard but possible. When you earn a low income, most of your money goes into basic needs like rent, food and bills. This makes saving feel impossible. But the truth is, even with small income, you can still save if you are organized and disciplined. The key is to start small and consistent rather than waiting until you earn more. Now we will see what are the steps you have to follow to save money on low income. You have to track every expense. Write down everything you spend for at least a month. This will show you where your money really goes. Often small daily expenses like snacks or unnecessary subscriptions add up more than you realize. You have to separate needs and wants. Needs means things you cannot live without: food, rent, utilities, and medicines. Wants means extras: eating at restaurants, shopping for clothes you don't need, or buying new gadgets. Focus on needs first and limit spending on wants. You have to set a small saving goal. Even if it is just 5% of your income or a very small amount, put it aside every month. The habit of saving is more important than the amount. Over time, this money will grow. You have to pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, move a small part into savings before you start spending. If you wait until end of the month, usually nothing is left to save. You have to cut unnecessary cost. Looks for areas to reduce spending. Cook at home instead of eating out. Use public transport instead of taxis. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Small changes can save a big amount over the time. You have to use cash or budgeting apps. If you find it hard to control spending, withdraw cash for weekly expenses or use a budgeting app. This keep you aware of how much money you have left. You have to avoid debt as much as possible. Credit cards, loans and borrowing can make saving harder because of interest payments. If you must borrow, pay it back quickly to avoid getting trapped in debt. You have to create an emergency fund. Even if it is very small, try to build an emergency fund for unexpected cost like medical expenses or urgent repairs. This prevents you from borrowing money when surprises happens. You have to look for extra income. If possible, try to increase your income with small side jobs, freelancing, or selling things you don't use. Even a little extra income can speed up your savings. Final thoughts. Saving money on low income is not about being perfect. It is about making small, smart choices every day. The amount you save doesn't matter at first. What matters is building the habit of saving. Once you start, even small savings will give you confidence and financial security over the time. You have to remember consistency is more important than the amount. Start small, but start it today.